Hello, welcome back. So in this video tutorial, we are going to see how to get the study area potassium, thorium, and uranium grade grades that we are going to get, just like what we did under the TMI. So we open our wires montage, go to file, we create a project. This time around, we'll go a little bit to radiometric. That will call radio new. So just give it a name, underscore a name that you can remember. Then new, then click save. Let's allow it to load first. Then we'll go under grids, add grids. Then we'll go back to our data. Then radiometric, that will take the potassium, that will hold first, hold the last down, click to select. Bring all the potassium. Then we'll close all. Then we'll go to grid and image utilities. Sometimes we don't even need to import them. You can just go right from here. Then select all those grids. Go back a little bit to data, radiometric, potassium. Hold the first one, click on the last, bring them inside, then click here to set the location, and this matched XY, then click OK. So now this is the potassium concentration map. I think we don't even need to import them all from here. You can come back here, add grids. We don't need to add grids. Then come back for the thorium mosaic. Click on this. This will take us back a bit to the thorium. And click the first, then hold the shift key, click on the last, then click open. You can see the thorium. Then now we change this one to thorium TH, then click OK. So this will match all the thorium grades. Now this is for the thorium. Then we hold this one, then we remove. You can see this is the one, this is for the thorium. Okay, so now we'll go back to grid, utilities, mosaic. Click the three dots, go back, then go to the uranium, click the first, then click on the last while hold down the shift key, then click OK. Then the last one, change its name to uranium matched. Then click OK. Now see we have matched all of them. Then this uranium, will remove it. Now we have these three. We need to reproject. Let's start with the potassium first. Click on this, go to grid and image utilities, reproject the grids. Because this is already in, as you can see from here, it's already projected to geographic coordinates so that we can window it. There we say the merge potassium, you can see it, click next. It's already this, then now set the location, it's already there. Now we now put it to K merged for LL, save, and click next, then set it to geographic, then we are good to go, then finish. So this is what we have. Then this match potassium KX, we don't need it, delete it. Then we'll do for the same thing for the thorium. Now this time around we'll select the thorium. We'll cross check again, you see it's thorium, okay. Then you come here, we change this to TH, then click next, then geographic, then click OK, then finish. Now this match thorium, we don't need it to delete it. Then lastly, the uranium. We reproject the uranium match. Uranium, you can see it, okay. Then we change this TH to U. Then we'll click next. Then geographic, then okay. Then finish. So now we have this one, then this. Okay, let's it finish. So this uranium match we will delete. Then now we have the three. Then now next thing now is to get our study area grid for potassium, thorium, this. Then go to grid image, utilities, the window a grid, because now we need to go back a bit to where we left the other time under the study area. Now I will do like this. Let me first on this one, then all like this, then split into two. Then now grid and image utilities, window a grid. Then let's start with the potassium. They'll call it KLL. We take the KLL. The minimum is 4.88 to 5.38, then 7.38. The last one is 7.88. We would have cross check 7.38, 7.88, 4.88, 5.38. Then potassium KLL for the study area, then click OK. Now this for the potassium. Then we'll do the same thing now. Utilities, window grid. Now you see it has picked from where we stop. That will come from here. Now the thorium, this is thorium match. We'll call this TH. Thorium match. Then leave this one. It has picked from where we stop from. Then click OK. Then this. Then the last lane, grid and image utilities. Window a grid. Then change this one to uranium. Then this one is U. Then OK. So click full extent. Now let's cross check. Let's take the potassium to see whether we did it right. Then import shapefile. I'll go back to Ekiti2. Then shapefiles. Open the study area to double cross check whether this is. Do not import. Change this to current map and OK. You can see it. That is OK. Then go to the thorium. Import shapefile. Okay, to the current map. Okay, the uranium, the same thing. Shapefiles, study area, do not import to the current. You can see everything there. The window close all. No, no, no. Now we don't need this one. Hold this one. Hold the click. Hold the control key. Control key. Hold down. Then you click delete. So we have freed up the space. That is okay now. All we need to do now is to reproject these ones. Utilities, reproject. Potassium this. Now to KXY. They'll click on this, it is 31. Okay. Finish. Yeah, would have not been with the cell size, we'll leave the cell size the way it is. So this is what we have. They'll go to grid and image utilities, reproject. Now we take the thorium, TH. This thorium, okay. Then thorium. Next. Click on this, then click OK. Finish. Then the lastly, grid and image utilities, reproject grid, the uranium. Then OK. Then take uranium, U, then click next. Then projected, that's OK, then finish. So we have everything now, all the grids are there, then window close all, then file project save, and that's all out how we get the study area, potassium, thorium, and uranium map. That's all.